This customer did 3 oil changes from different shops and oil leaks from the filter area. From first oil change, the oil leaks start on the second day, the second shop after 1 week, and the third shop after 3 weeks. When they took it to this oil shop, they said it just needed an oil change. They didn't check why this oil filter was leaking. Finally, they brought it to our shop, Popular Auto. If you carefully watch the filter, you will see the rubber gasket comes out from the filter gasket seat. Or if you rewind the video, you can see more clearly that the rubber gasket was a little twisted and came out. Why is it happening? Is this filter tightened or not enough tight? Sorry, I didn't tell you which car we are working on. It's a 2013 Dodge Dart. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Or if you're new here, hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my new video.